We have seen in Missouri, we've seen a significant increase in chronic health diseases in children, particularly in the St. Louis and St. Charles areas. That's on the eastern side of my state. One of the reasons for this is the presence of nuclear radiation and nuclear toxins in our soil, in our air, and in our water. Are you familiar with the Westlake Landfill Superfund site in Bridgeton, Missouri? Do you know what I'm talking about?
I'm not familiar.
This Superfund site dates back to the Manhattan-era uranium enrichment project. St. Louis was a uranium enrichment site during the Manhattan Project, of which we're very proud. But after the uranium enrichment was shut down, the federal government did not dispose of the nuclear waste. What they did instead is they dumped it into a public landfill. They allowed it to sit out in barrels that were exposed to the elements for years. So it was dumped into a landfill from which it ran into the groundwater. It sat out in barrels in another site for years, from which it then seeped into a nearby stream where there's now suburbs built. They started building in the 1950s. People have lived there ever since.